Hello? What's up, sis? Wait, what? You said your slick ain't slick no more. What? Child, please. Cue the intro. I'm tired of it. Just cue it.
Yo, they say stop.
You guys, it's your girl Coco Barbz back at it again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. On this channel we tackle all things beauty every Wednesday, but in today's video we are going to learn how to do a sleek ponytail on kinky, thick, high density 4C hair. Whew, that was a mouthful. I know, queen, you didn't think that you could do it, but I'm here to give you hope. I'm here to tell you, you can do this. So if you want to achieve a sleek ponytail look, keep on watching this video. Let's get into it. So first you're gonna want like a spray bottle, or if you don't have a spray bottle, you can always wet your hair in the shower. And before you get that spray bottle, you wanna part your hair into two sections, halfway. The line doesn't have to be pretty, sis. Just part your hair, okay? Then I take my water bottle and I fill it up with hot water. Hot water. Okay, hot water. I start spraying my hair so it can be damp. I low-key need to get a towel. You don't have to get it soaking wet if you don't want to though. Okay, so I only use 4 products for this style. A moisturizing styling cream, gel, and got to be spray. Okay, so my hair is already moisturized. I usually moisturize it every day.
Okay.
So I don't think it needs any moisturizer. I use the Pantene daily conditioner to moisturize my hair, and y'all, I apply that in the shower whenever I wash my hair. And if y'all want to know my wash routine, I definitely will link that video in the description box, because that's what really makes your sleek ponytail fly, period. But you can also do it this way. So since I already moisturized my hair with the Pantene conditioner, I'm gonna go in with this Creme of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. It just makes my hair soft and easy to manage. And I don't really put like a lot of gel or a lot of products on the bottom half, because the bottom half is honestly the easiest part to do. So I don't know if y'all can see, I'm just honestly working this product in. The thicker your hair is, the more sections you have to work in. My hair is just thick enough for me to divide it into 2. So that's why I'm doing that. So now that my hair is moisturized, I just add this styling cream. Now, I love this styling cream. This styling cream really slicked down my hair. It did not have a hard crunch to it. It had a soft hold, but it was strong enough to last at least like 4 days, okay? This is the Edge Booster styling cream. It's just bomb. The scent it smells so good. So I just start smoothing it in. This is my favorite scent. I discovered it maybe like 2 years ago, and I've only bought this one. You want to know why? Because it's $15.99. Yeah, it's a little expensive, okay? And I have a soft brush so I can smooth it out a little bit more. So if you want me to do a video on a gel that's more affordable, I could definitely do that, but it produces results, okay? It produces results, period. My mom always says that I need to shave this part, but I don't want to shave this part of my neck. Do y'all shave that part of y'all neck? I want it to grow out, so don't drag me in the comments, okay? Don't drag me in the comments.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
I'm just adding a little bit more. So I have my hair tied. It's really like a mini headband. Ooh. It just gives me enough stretch to really make this ponytail's height, because the smaller regular hair ties, ooh, they too small. They are way too small. They're always popping on me. Now when it comes to the top, sis, now we need to get to work, okay? So let me scoop my chair up So y'all know that is business. Today I'm gonna do a middle part. So I'm gonna part my hair. Okay. So y'all, I got a straight line down the middle, and I'm gonna work on this side first. I'm gonna re-wet it because it kind of dried up a little bit. My products be dropping. Don't y'all hate when that happens? Gosh. Okay, I'm working that water in, and my moisturizer is actually reactivating, so I'm also working that like back in. If you do not have moisturizer in your hair at this point, you need to stop this video and moisturize your hair, sis. Do not start putting styling cream without moisturizing. Just part in that section, and I'm applying my twisting cream, and this is when you really want to put product on. You don't have to put a lot. You want praying hands. And my hair is detangled, y'all. That is another important thing. Your hair must be detangled all the way through, from root to tip, okay? All the way through. Please detangle your hair because you will not achieve this look if your hair is not detangled. I have like a shampoo brush. It's very soft. It's not too harsh on my hair. I normally go in and start detangling each part up here. I don't do it to the bottom half of my hair. This part is already detangled, but I just want to ensure that everything is detangled. Then I apply my gel. So this is when you want to load up the gel. Like, it needs to be loaded on there. And you can start applying the gel to the hair. And I put a whole lot of gel in my hair at the top. I'm sorry, I low-key OD. OD means overdo it. For those of you who don't know. You kind of just want to put a good amount of gel. Sis, do not be afraid to... I'm sorry, y'all, if y'all hear any background noise, but do not be afraid to load that gel on there. And then what I do, I get another tie, make a loose ponytail with it, because I'm going to be untying it throughout this process to add more hair into it. So I'm just like literally adding a whole lot of gel because I want the top of my hair so sleek. It's really the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna wet it a little bit more. Okay, so I worked that twist cream in, and then I'm going in with gel. And y'all may hear like crunching from my hair. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but my hair is not coming out. This is not pulling your hair out. Like, as long as your hair was detangled before, this is just going to detangle it a little bit more. I try to get it at the root and then work it backwards. See, in the back, you don't have to be this detailed because no one's really looking at the bottom of your ponytail. Like, the top is gonna cover everything. You see how flat that is? I know y'all see it. You see the shine. Stop playing with me.
Okay.
Sometimes I take all of the hair out of this second ponytail that I added. This is all of my hair that I added into the second ponytail. And I just put more gel. Like, I really take my time on this half of the ponytail. The first half of the ponytail, the bottom half, you can rush through low key. But you want to make sure that it's sleek. This part of the ponytail, you want to make sure that it is sleek down each and every inch. And you literally do the same thing. Y'all, my nail came off. at this point, I'm trying to rush to get done. This style is perfect for the everyday woman that wants to get their hair out of their face. That's why I like this style a lot, because I still have a 9-to-5 and I don't want to be doing my natural hair every single day. Ooh, child. If your hair, let's say if this top right here does not go all the way back to your ponytail, you need to add more gel and really lay that down. I also add Got To Be spray. I go in with this little comb and I go in for the kill. Like, I smooth it with the comb on the top. This is what really like seals the deal. You see the difference? You see the difference? You gotta work this in. Okay, y'all, so what adds longevity to this hairstyle? Bam! Okay, this is much needed. I'ma just go in for the kill. Start spraying it towards the perimeter of your head and work your way back, sis. I spray.
5 minutes later.
This first part is the first to go or to revert back. I make sure that I spray enough and I rake that in. And this will harden your hair up, but if you follow all the steps that I used, your ponytail would have to last at least 4 or 5 days. No lie. No lie. I'm not lying to y'all. You need to add this last step. Your hair will not move, I'm telling you. So it won't act up at all, sis. You're not about to embarrass me. This is supposed to be a sleek look, not a curly one. And I'm telling you, I wear this ponytail to work. I'll be in the heat. And when I tell you this does not move, stop playing with me. You can honestly stop here if you wanted to, but I want to add hair, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the hair store that I'm so excited to try out. I got some free tris bun tie ponytails. I got 3 packs, 2 of the black ones and 1 of the ombre ponytail. So we're about to finesse this and add this hair, okay? This is the ponytail, and you can honestly do this yourself. Just get a scrunchie and crochet some hair on here. I am the one, the way your son. I just didn't feel like it, and I saw that this was available, so because this is what I was gonna do anyway. If y'all want me to do a video on how to crochet some hair to a hair tie, I could definitely do that. I wanted to show y'all that in this video anyway, but this was just a better option because I was low on time. But I'm gonna add another hair tie like this, and that stretches the hair out. And I low-key want to add another one. Before doing this style, y'all, I went to Walmart and I bought all these hair ties, so just make sure you have enough hair ties. If you don't want to do it this way, you can also twist your hair up. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking. And then I'm going to add this. I'm gonna first add one underneath. So I'm gonna put it, I hope y'all can see. So I'm gonna put it underneath. And then just tighten it up. And that's how it looks. Now this is a quick 1-2. Okay? And this is 18, I believe it's 18 inches. Ooh, child, this is about to look fire. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Y'all, my friend is on FaceTime right now. Fire! It looks good. It looks real good. just look at it, it's long. So I'm just wrapping this. And y'all, when you're doing this, you really need to just wrap your hair up. I should have wrapped my hair up, because now it's like reverting a little bit, but I know for a fact that if I would have wrapped my hair up, it wouldn't have done that at all, because I do this all the time. But once I wrap my hair up, it'll flatten back down. I'm gonna just add a little bit more gel. You don't have to get this pattern. They have other patterns. And you can also get it online if you don't have it at your local hair store. But girl, when I saw this, I fell in love instantly. So yeah. And then let me add some more gel and then wrap this up. Alright you guys, that's it to the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video. Y'all know I love making slick back ponytails or ponytails, period. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below a black heart if you've gotten this far. I've been looking in the comments lately and I've only been seeing 1 or 2 people comment down the hearts that I say comment. So let me know if you made it this far, okay? Alright, I love y'all. Stay encouraged, be blessed, and always be aggressive with your waves. See you in the next video. Bye! Woo! I finally did it! You are new, welcome on this channel. We do all things beauty and lifestyle. Things are gonna get easier. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yo, I am a goofball.